How to do Lee Chong Wei's Deceptive reverse slice drop shot. What is deception? You may have heard this term before, but what does it actually mean to be deceptive in badminton? A deceptive shot can involve a misleading body movement or a racket movement, i.e. double action or delay, that causes the opponent to take the shuttle late and produce a weak return, or even better, give you an outright winner by them being in the wrong place on the court. Deceptive shots can wrong-foot an opponent, making them move in the wrong direction from where the shuttle is actually going. They cause confusion and make it difficult for your opponent to predict where on the court the shuttle will be hit into. The slicing action is very difficult, requiring you to brush across the shuttle gently. Lee Chong Wei's reverse drop. Deceptive forehand, reverse sliced, straight drop. This shot is played on the even side of the court and in the rear court. The aim is to send the opponent the wrong way because he has followed the swing action. This requires 1. A very rapid arm action, and 2. A high level of control. You need to brush the shuttle. How to do it? You need to fake a powerful cross-court smash shot and then turn it into a soft sliced drop shot. 1. Fake a smash shot using an aggressive body stance and posture. 2. Turn the racket angle to approximately 45 degrees as you reach impact with the shuttle. 3. Take some pace off the shuttle while brushing the shuttle with the strings, creating a soft controlled drop shot in your opponent's backhand forecourt corner.